Hi guys, welcome to Finastro Cycles by Nitin Bhandari. So today's move in the Nifty was on the expected lines. As I mentioned clearly in yesterday's video, there is a possibility that this is a big cycle reversal. So yesterday also I showed that where this cycle has started from, and this is a blue color vertical line. So you see this cycle started in the April 2021 and we are in the December now. So this cycle was a larger degree cycle, and there was a reversal probability when these are the GAN reversal dates. So this is an add-on in the Galactic Trader, and that is developed by Galactic Trader, and the inputs are given by me. So this is my add-on. It is called Nitin Bhandari add-on. So once you put it, it gives you all the possible dates when the cycle is coming to an end. So this was a big cycle reversal, and Nifty made a high above yesterday's high. That was a quite a big 70, 80 points higher than yesterday's high. But if you know the daily write-up I publish every day, and there are labels. So in that label, it is a resistance zone was there, and even on the even on the short-term charts, if I see, let me pull out the Nifty hourly and 5 minute chart. That will give you a very clear indication that how does it help. So this is a Nifty hourly chart, and this is a so we'll see here. This is a Nifty 5 minute chart, and this was the opening today. This is an interesting thing how you can use. Here I'm giving you the rules how you should, if you are in the money, how you should trade your position. So this was on the open, and on the open itself, it hit the. No, this is the 11:15, not on the open. Let me go back a little bit more. So here you go. So this is yeah. So this is a 11:10, and this was the opening price was, I think, much higher. So actually my Fibonacci numbers will be further changed from there. So this was the open, I think. Yeah. So this was the opening price. It went down, it went up. So this red line is a Mars price line. And now you guys know why I give so much emphasis to the Mars price line also. So from there, it continued downward. And if I draw a line from here, a Fibonacci, and if I put it and I right click it here and I put it live. So now the tool becomes live, which means as the market moves, these levels will keep changing. So that Fibonacci number will keep changing. It will never ever go for uh, above the 50% or 61%. That will give you a clear indication that where the market is heading. And all the day from this high, market has never crossed back above 50% mark. And it kept going down all the day. And finally, in the end, I think it found some support and it started moving up. So still from this high to this low, it has not even crossed back 23.6%. And to be better, it needs to cross 17,332, which is 38.2%. And here now everybody know that what is that level? That is a mother moving average. So this was a 5 minute and embedded into 45-minute chart. So there are multiple time frame charts. Then on the hourly also, it was very clearly evident that this candle, the first hour candle, when the market opened, this was huge, dark candle, black candle. And this was an engulfing candle. So it was a red engulfing means bearish, and green engulfing means bullish. So I've given the colors. So now this was a engulfing bearish candle, and after that it tried to hold, but once it started giving up, it continued the downward. So what next? This is hourly chart. Hourly chart is suggesting it is into bearish zone. So there is a possibility of further down. Coming back to our daily analysis. So here what has happened? This is a mother moving average, and I started talking about this average when it is necessary. Otherwise, if you are following me for quite some time, I don't speak about this average often. But when it is relevant and something important is coming up, then only I talk about this moving average. So Nifty hit this midpoint of the monthly Gann trend change line, which was 13,000, 17,500. And after that, immediately it started selling off. That was the point when one can take a position. We have a reversal from here. The Nifty can drop up to 3% minimum, and maximum there is no limit. There is always a limit, but just it could drop more than 3%. So what would be the key? Now this is an important point, this mother moving average, and Nifty, as it broke 150 points after that, and that is what, when it was about to break, that time I went live on the spaces, and then I mentioned, and I showed how the options data were suggesting that something is wrong in this market. So is it over? Is it going to be going to be further down on a big time? So my suggestion is, as long as Nifty is uh, above this point 16,849, then it's okay. But once this point is gone, then there will be a big trouble brewing. But as we have a study of the December month, and we know that what happens in the December month, so maybe Nifty may not fall much, but still it has a potential to make a new low below this. Now you see here there were these steps. These are the daily Gann trend change points, and now this step has gone below. Now these are the on the bullish side. So it has only 2 days it has been bullish. Monday it should hold this line, which is 17,161. Otherwise, this move was a fake out move, and then there will be a serious downturn possibility. There is another price calculation. I can do it from this high to this high and project it. So that's not a great. That's a very bad levels. Maybe some other time we'll talk about it. So we'll first focus on this Mars price line as a price target once it breaks below 17,151, and keep 17,003 38. Now that level has gone to 17,338, which was in the morning 17,327. So keep that level in mind on the upside. So this is all. Astrologically, next week is a huge, and tomorrow is a solar eclipse at 1:12 p.m. India time. So let's see and watch what happens next week, because 8th 9 December something is cooking up, and then we have a big Gann reversal date, the vertical line. So that needs to be kept in mind. And I started talking about these numbers, these lines way in advance. So it is a 10th December, and 8th 9 December is important. I think 10th December would be a Sunday. No, it's a Friday. Okay. So still, so next week looks very important, and we are in the holiday season now as we move forward. I have seen after second week of December the markets are very dull. Everybody is busy and planning their holidays, about their bonuses and all those stuff. All these overseas guys. So watch it and see. Is there anything on the weekly chart? Let's see. This is a weekly cash nifty. So cash nifty weekly is struggling. It's at once again it has closed at important monthly point. So this is a monthly point on the weekly chart. On daily it is a weekly. So that is a 17,220 basis cash. So keep an eye on that and see what is happening. Stochastics, they are still into neutral zone. And there is a important line coming. This is a Mars price line, and the level for next week is 17,651. This is a quarterly line. The level for that is 16,598 and 16,828, 783. So these are two important level to watch for next week. So this is an indecisive candle. Nothing is there after two consecutive weeks of downtrend. So let's see how it unfolds. And keep in mind one important level. So this becomes a quarterly chart, the monthly chart, and why it is showing. Okay, I have pressed wrong button. No, it's okay. So this was October month low, and I think something is wrong here. It is taking still, so it is not updated. So we'll take the low of last week as an important low because Nifty has rallied. So 16,985.70 basis cash. Keep that in mind. That is important because that's a monthly low, and once the monthly lows are broken, there is a possibility of acceleration in the trend. Uh, in this case, it will be downward. So that's all for Nifty and Nifty uh, daily futures and Nifty weekly cash. So thank you for watching and subscribing, and thank you for sharing to others. Thanks a lot.